Welcome to EverLog Systems, the best way to build a log and timber home. This video is a basic introduction on installing EverLog Siding, which is a revolutionary engineered concrete siding product used in both renovations and new construction. EverLog Siding is maintenance-free, lightweight, fire-resistant, resistant to mold and other decay, resistant to insects, easy to install with common tools and screws, and provides a variety of other benefits. Installation of our EverLog siding is simple and can be completed by any contractor or do-it-yourselfer. In conjunction with our installation guide, this video will show just how easy installation can be. EverLog siding comes pre-finished and is packaged in durable crates. A forklift is required to unload crates from the trailer. Contact EverLog Systems for crate weight and forklift recommendations. Also reference the EverLog Siding crate handling and siding removal instructions manual. Crates should be placed on level ground with 2x4 blocks under the front to provide a slight tilt from front to back. Partially remove top screws using T30 bit included with delivery. Carefully set lid aside. Partially remove front screws on both right and left end panels. Fully remove screws from bottom front panel and reserve for reassembly. Carefully lay front panel down. Using two people, carefully tilt siding up and lift on edge. Always carry panels on edge. Place packaging foam in a safe place until crate is empty, at which point the foam can be placed back into the crate before closing crate up in reverse order of disassembly. Crates containing corners or other custom components may have additional bulkhead screws that need removed prior to remove the face panel. Installation requires a few common tools. A 4 1/2 inch electric angle grinder and an accompanying 4 1/2 inch masonry blade is recommended for most if not all cutting. A hole saw may also be needed for round cuts such as dryer vents or plumbing penetrations. A high-speed cordless drill or two with extra batteries is also recommended. EverLog Systems recommends using GRK cabinet screws along with the companion HSS bit holder, also made by GRK to ease installation. As with any construction task, proper safety and protection equipment such as safety eye and ear protections, respirators, and gloves should be used at all times when handling and cutting concrete materials. Prior to installing any siding, outside and inside corners need to be installed first. Our corner posts come in stock 10-foot lengths, so most corners will need to be cut to fit on site prior to their installation. After measuring the short and long lengths, mark the corner using a speed square with the length or angles needed cut. Care should be taken when planning cuts and strap locations. The angles can then be cut using the angle grinder. Once the corner is cut and fits nicely, unfold the embedded installation straps and securely fasten the corner to the wall using 2 screws per strap. After cutting and installing corners, you're ready to begin horizontal siding installation. Install and secure HSS bit holder into drill. Refer to GRK instructions for the bit holder adjustments instructions. Place cabinet screw onto bit holder and press against panel flange. The magnetic bit holder will secure the screw during driving. Using a high-speed setting, drive the self-tapping screw into the center of the flange a minimum of 2 inches from the end. Speed should be reduced just before setting screw snugly against the siding flange, taking care not to over-tighten. Repeat process, taking care to hit the stud locations. Panels should be spaced 1/8 inch apart end to end and end to corners to allow for expansion and contraction. All butt joints should be factory end to factory end with cuts placed against corners or other trim. Because EverLog siding comes in stock 12-foot lengths, it will need to be cut to fit. Measure length of siding needed, again allowing for 1/8 inch gaps on ends. Mark length needed on siding. A template tool can be made to automate markings for square or pitched cuts. Mark siding with clearly visible line. Place blocking under siding to allow 4 1/2 inch masonry blade to penetrate through siding. Once safety equipment is in place and clear of obstructions, begin cutting siding. Hold angle grinder securely in parallel to the cut. After cutting, Brush dust from surface of siding using a soft bristle nylon brush. Each profile of siding is cut using similar methods. Please call EverLog Systems with any questions and refer to our siding installation guide at everlogs.com.